Today we have a video from Police Ride-Alongs, and the title of the video is When a Drunk Driver Thinks She's Smarter Than the Cop.
But you have other indicators of impairment.
No, I'm
to
not
mention.
moving.
Sit down.
Sit down.
On this ride-along, an officer finds something exciting.
Beach day?
Another tries to line up bottles.
Yes.
And a woman bumps her head.
Stop!
On Tuesday, August 19th, an officer had pulled over a vehicle for speeding down Hood Road in Palm Beach Gardens, Florida. Later, the officer would say she knew the stop was going to be trouble.
I knew that was going to happen. That's why I waited. And I already knew. And what speed did you think you were going? Because I got you at 58.
48.
You know schools are being released right now, right?
Yes, I'm sorry.
Okay. All right. Give me just a moment.
After a DUI officer had arrived, they went to talk with the driver some more.
Hi, ma'am. I'm Officer Khan. I'm with Palm Beach Gardens Police Department. So what's going on today?
I'm just going back to my boyfriend's house.
Okay, where are you coming from?
I'm coming from work.
Work? Where do you work?
I work a lot of places.
Okay, well, where were you working today?
Today I was working in Palm Beach Gardens.
Palm Beach Gardens is a city. Where in Palm Beach Gardens were you working?
Publix.
Publix? Okay. What Publix do you work for?
Hood.
The officer would look into this claim later and find out that that wasn't true.
Okay. What's your position there?
Cashier.
Cashier? How long you been working for him?
A long time.
Long time. What time did you work today?
Like 9 to 5.
9 to 5. Do you know what time it is right now?
Yes.
What time is it?
3:03.
Okay, so how did you work 9 to 5 if right now it's 3:03?
Got off early.
Okay. So I'm going to have you step out of the car, please. Turn your car off and come on and step out.
No, thank you.
Okay, so I am ordering you out of the car now. If you refuse to get out, I'm going to have to remove you with my own hands, and I don't think you want me to do that. Okay?
I don't understand what's the problem.
I'll tell you when you step on out, please.
No, thank you.
He is giving you a walk order. Step it out of the vehicle. Let's go.
If you do not exit your car, you will be charged with...
Step out of the vehicle.
Please step out of the...
Thank
No, ma'am. It does not work
No,
like
thank
that.
you.
Step out of the vehicle.
No, thank you.
Please
I
step out.
would love to have all my things back.
Okay, you are not leaving. You are detained at this time. This is a traffic stop. Not only that, but I suspect you're impaired. In fact,
I do not suspect
Nope.
that.
you close the door.
Nope. Nope. Do not
Come on.
do this. Do not do this.
Car's off. I'm reaching across to take your seatbelt off. Time to get out of the car.
Get out of the vehicle.
At
Nope.
this point, you're going to be charged with resisting.
Get out of the
Out
vehicle.
of the vehicle.
Get-
Do not make me pull you.
Get out-
Please get out of the vehicle.
Get out of the vehicle.
Please get out of the vehicle. You are not. You haven't moved your
Nope,
feet.
nope.
Please swing your feet
Get
out.
out of the vehicle.
Stop.
Swing. Nope.
Please bring your legs out.
No.
I'm
Swing.
You haven't done anything yet.
Do it now. Get out of the vehicle.
I'm going to give you the count of 5 to swing your legs out.
No, it's not even 5. Get out of the car.
Jesus,
Get out of
let
the
me
car.
swing my own leg.
So do it.
I have a very bad leg.
Well,
ahead.
do
I'm
it.
holding your arm. Get out of the car.
Get out of the car.
See, you can't be messing with them lady cops, man. This is their bread and butter. This right here is their bread and butter, man. A lady cop with a lady suspect. She don't even have to the count of 5. I'm about to get you together right now. 1, 2, get them together. That's how fast it's gonna be. You don't even have to the count of 5. This is her bread and butter, man. She been waiting all day for this.
If you turn your car on and put it into
Get out of
gear,
the
I already
car.
turned your car off.
It's not on.
I already turned your car
Out
off.
of the car.
No, I
Out of the
turned my
vehicle.
car off.
Out of the
Get
vehicle.
My car
No, you
off.
didn't, because I just reached in your car to do it.
No.
All right,
All right.
we're done.
Nope. Get out of the car.
Stop.
At this time, you're under arrest for driving under the influence and resisting.
What?
Put your hands behind your back.
Crap.
I did
No.
Nope.
I did not turn my car off.
In fact, I did. I saw on my camera that I reached into your car and hit your butt. Okay, well, you're under arrest for driving under the influence and resist.
She's good.
Okay. Actually, we're just going to call you under arrest for resisting right now. Put some gun on your, sit on your bumper.
Some bumper.
Okay. So, just so you understand what I have, because I've gone with what is through drug recognition expert training. Okay, it's my job to recognize when people are impaired. Okay, I already have more than enough to suspect you're impaired. You've got bloodshot, watery eyes. Your speech is slurred and thick. Okay? I've got strong odors. I've got strong odors of alcohol. I didn't say anything about your face being red. In fact, I have rosacea too. I'm sure you can see it. My face is very pink.
I can.
Okay? That's not something that I talked about. But you have other indicators of impairment.
No,
not
I'm
to
not
mention,
moving.
sit down.
Lena, sit down.
Not to mention the
Sit.
fact that you were traveling 58 and 45. All right?
I'm not that.
Through a school area. So, I suspect you are impaired. Okay? At this point, you've already resisted me. I have every right to take you to jail for just the resistance. I ordered you out of the car. Pennsylvania v. Mims. No, please listen. Pennsylvania v. Mims, which is a United States Supreme Court case law, says that when I order you out of the car, you have to get out. You told me no. I had to go in your car, open your door, reach across you to turn your car off, which is on my body camera. All right? And unbuckle you to get out because you would not get out.
Unbuckle me.
In fact, I did. Please stop. That already alone tells me you're impaired because you don't comprehend what's going on. All right? I am affording you the ability to dispel my suspicion that you are impaired by doing standardized field sobriety tests. Will you participate?
No.
Okay. So, you're already under arrest for resisting. All right? I am affording you the ability to dispel my suspicion of your impairment.
I'd like my
Refusing to participate in these standardized field sobriety
I'd like
tests
my
takes that away.
I'd like
Refusing
my
to
lawyer.
participate in SFSTs can be used
I'd
against you in a
like
court
my
of law.
lawyer.
Do you understand what I just informed you?
I'd like my lawyer.
Do you understand what I just
I'd
informed
like
you? Yes
my
or no?
lawyer.
Say yes or no question.
I'd like my lawyer.
Okay. So,
The lady cop, she keep looking like she don't want to hear this shit, man. Let's get her. She's itching. She's itching to step in. The lady cop, for sure.
Yes, I'd like my lawyer.
Okay. So at this point, I'm gonna take it. You understand what I explained to you because you were refusing to answer my question, but you are responding. So you are under arrest for driving under the influence. Your car is being towed. I'm going to go through it. And I'm sure I'm going to find some sort of alcohol in there because there's a nice metal container with a clear liquid in the center console that I've already seen.
No, there isn't.
Okay, well, obviously you must think I'm or stupid. Sorry, excuse my French. We are going to go and sit in the back of my car.
Something about
Let's go.
Something else.
Let's go.
Turn around. You're under my car.
Can I get my other?
Nope, you're not getting anything.
Yeah, you can't say the R word nowadays, man. This ain't. Come on, man. This ain't the early 2000s and the 90s and before that. You say the R word, boy, they gonna be. Whew. They man. You see how everybody reacted. Watch. We gonna run it back. You can't say the R word, man. Everybody get up in arms about this right here.
Excuse my French.
No, there isn't.
Okay, well, obviously you must think I'm or stupid. Sorry, excuse my French.
See, look at the lady cop, and then look at both of these. Look at that. Look how they looking at him. Look how they looking at him. Look, they like what? The lady cop like this, and then the suspect is like you say that word, boy, they gonna get up in arms about that.
Through it, and I'm sure I'm going to find some sort of alcohol in there because there's a nice metal container with a clear liquid in the center console that I've already seen.
No, there isn't.
Okay, well, obviously you must think I'm or stupid. Sorry, excuse my French. We are going to go and sit in the back of my car.
Something about
Let's go.
Something else.
Let's go.
Turn around. You're under my car.
Can I get my other?
Nope, you're not getting anything right now.
No, we'll get the other shoe in just a moment. Just walk.
My radio's dead. Can you call it?
We're on chapter 17. Let me open.
They had
Just
to
leave out
bleep
the
it out. You can't even say it. YouTube gonna be on your heels.
Female 1015,
Signal 1 and
signal
resist.
1, and resist.
I'm not resisting.
You did when you refused to get out of the car. When we get down there, I'm going to ask if you'll provide a breath sample. Will you provide that breath sample, yes or no? I
I
need
just see my lawyer.
an answer, a yes or no.
I just see my lawyer.
I need an answer, yes or no, please.
I'd like to see my lawyer.
Okay, so
You haven't read my tailors.
I did give you your Taylor.
I'd like
Refusing
my
to
lawyer.
participate in SFSTs can be
I'd
used
like
against you in a
my
court of law.
lawyer.
If you did not comprehend them, that's up to you. So, I'm now requesting you submit to a lawful test of your breath for the purpose of determining its alcohol content. Refusal to submit to the test I've requested is admissible as evidence in any criminal proceedings. Do you understand what that means? Yes or no? It's a yes or no question. Do you understand what that means? The very fact that you use the term Taylor warning when I didn't tell you that it was called Taylor tells me that you've had a DUI before. In fact, I know you've had a DUI before. All right. And the fact that you're not answering this and you already have a prior suspension on your record tells me you know exactly what's happening here.
I never had a
In fact, you have. In 2011, it shows it when I pull up your record. So I said, you must think I'm dumb. So at this point, I'm going to take the fact that you're refusing to talk to me, that you're refusing to do anything at this point as a refusal. Your license will be suspended for 18 months, and the fine associated with that suspension is over $1,000, on top of anything you have to do with a DUI. So roadside refusal.
30 traffic 17 just for 14 roadside refusal.
Strong orders.
Hold on.
One thing I would say though, at least she learned from her first time. Because I'm sure the first time she went through this process, she did everything. Okay. And that doing all the tests and all that only works against you. So at least this time she didn't do everything. Now, she still messed up because she didn't learn from her first time. Like she didn't learn her lesson about drinking and driving, period. Right. So she's still doing it, but going through the process, she learned not to do the field sobriety test and all that mumbo jumbo.
Nice.
Hold on.
Triple nice.
Hold on.
Quadruple nice.
You want me to do an inventory?
Yeah, please. I'm going to put these up on my hood and just take a quick photo of them. Yeah.
Beach day?
Yes. Well, it looks like she's wearing a bathing suit, so.
The officer charged her with resisting without violence, DUI, and refusing to submit to a breath test. At the jail, the woman would refuse to sign the criminal citations, so she was also charged with willfully refusing to accept and sign a citation. The refusal to sign was eventually dropped, but she'd plead guilty to the rest of the charges. Court records show she was sentenced to 12 months probation and had her license revoked for 6 months. She was also ordered to attend AA and a victim impact panel.
Yeah, so she did it the first time, got probation. Second time, probation. You know, whatever. She's not gonna learn until she ends up doing it and actually harming someone. So it is what it is, man. This is just not drinking and driving, man. You know, you can go out, get in your car, and it's a tough pill to swallow. You know, when you do something wrong and you mess up, it's like, okay, I could eat that one. You know, if you go and do something and it's like, all right, I did it, I messed up. But if something happens to you based off of somebody else, it's a tough pill to swallow, man. Like, imagine going out, getting hit by a car, and now you got to go through the whole process of either having a rental or the insurance and finding a new vehicle and all of this stuff. And it's like, well, you didn't hit anyone, someone hit you. So it's a tougher pill to swallow because it's BS. But if you went out and you went and crashed into a pole or something like that because you was doing something stupid, it's like, yeah, I was just being a dumbass. You know, it's easier to deal with. So I say that to say this. Y'all be safe. If you would like to support the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Also, hype the video. YouTube has a new feature where you can hype the video. Helps it gets pushed out into the algorithm. Those are all free things to do. If you're looking for some paid options, you can also send a super thanks, super sticker, or look in the description for our YouTube membership and our Patreon link. And I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you. Your support is greatly appreciated.